Rachel here with Rachel's Unique Crafts. Get the throat clear. And we're back in the kitchen again. I've got a quick recipe. It's a crock pot keto recipe. It's gonna be good, y'all. It's gonna be good. I'm gonna turn y'all over here so y'all can see what I'm doing. My throat, sorry about that, y'all. I've still got a sore throat with ulcers in my mouth, so please forgive me. Please forgive me. So I've got my crock pot. It's, y'all, I put my name on it because going to, churches and taking food and all, that's just the way I can keep up with it. So it's got my name written on it with a Sharpie. It hadn't come off yet. So I've got it set on low and I've already got it hot. So let me see. Forgot to get my tongs. Sorry, y'all. So I've got a roast here and it's about 2.3 pounds. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it here in the crock pot. Put that down. I've got some butter. I don't sear it or anything. I just put it in there. Y'all, I've had this recipe for years, so I don't know the original person that did it. I just saw it somewhere anyway. I copied it down. I don't know if I've seen it on scrolling through Facebook or scrolling through Pinterest. I don't know. Anyway, I've done it for years. And it could have been my friend at work that gave me this recipe. I don't even remember. But anyway, I just put a few slices of the butter down beside the roast. I'm trying to raise y'all up, let y'all see what I'm doing. Try to be gentle so it don't make you sick. So I've just got the butter laying on top. I put a few slices around it. I didn't want to make nobody drunk. So after I do that, I'm going to leave the rest of that butter laying on top of the roast. Then I've got Au Jus Gravy mix. This has 1 carb in it. Of course, the meat and the butter's fine. So we're going to take this Au Jus Gravy mix, and all we're going to do is sprinkle it all over this roast. Now, I'm going to do something a little different from what I saw on the recipe. They say put your butter on there, put your Au Jus gravy mix on there, and then you're done. Set it and let it cook for about 6 to 8 hours. I'm going a step further and I'm going to add the ranch seasoning. Spill a little bit. Let's see. This has 0 carbs, so we're doing good. So I'm going to sprinkle this just on top of the gravy. Okay, so we got our roast, we got a stick of butter, and I don't recommend margarine. I do recommend pure butter, some ranch seasoning, and some Au Jus gravy. And that's it, y'all. That is it. It's on low. You do not have to add any liquid. Now, if I was leaving and going to work and gonna let this cook all day, because I would be gone longer than the 6 to 8 hours, I would add a little bit of water just to the bottom of it. But I'm gonna be here today, so I'm gonna let it cook. And when it's done, I'll come back and let y'all see what it looks like. Y'all see right now. Turn this back down. Okay. Trying to operate a camera that's backwards. So that's what it's looking like. I'm sorry. Sorry about that, y'all. Okay, so I'm just gonna cover it. It's on low, and it says for 6 to 8 hours. And we're gonna come back, and I'm gonna let you see it. And I would say I'll let you taste it, but I don't think I can get the taste through there. But I'll taste it for you. So hope y'all are having a great day, and I'll be back in just a little bit. Hey y'all, I'm back. All right, it's been, I put the roast on at 9 this morning, and it's 2. So it's been 5 hours, and let me show y'all what it looks like. It smells delicious. It's got the house smelling really, really good. And I'm gonna make some kind of Brussels sprouts or something to go with it, or some broccoli or something yummy. Let's see, I'll try to put the camera, try not to move it too fast so it doesn't make everybody dizzy. So this is the roast. See how it just falls apart. And I've been cooking this on low for 5 hours. Let's put this down. It smells so good. And I'm gonna get that juice and pour over the top. Now if I leave it all day, I would add like a little water, because it will start drying out and the water will cook up if you leave it like all day. And that's why I wanted to do this on a day when I was at home, so as soon as it got done, I could get it out and it not be dried up. So that's a little hot. Let's see. I got y'all on the edge there, so I wonder if it can slide off. See how yummy that looks? It's just, there we go. That's a better picture. Doesn't that look good? I got all the juice kind of separating it a little bit, getting the juice all in there. Oh yes. And it was so quick and easy. So you're gonna need your stick of butter, a thing of ranch, a thing of Au Jus Gravy, and that's it. So let me taste this. Let y'all see. If I make an ugly face, you know that it's not gonna be good. So let's see. I approve. It's good. It doesn't need any salt or anything. I'm fixing to make me some greens. And I'm fixing to have lunch. So get you some ranch seasoning, some Au Jus Gravy, a stick of butter, and a roast. 5 hours later, I cooked this. This one was a 2.2 pounds and 3 ounces, I think. Something like that. Roast. Y'all, that is good. So, I hope y'all try this recipe and let me know if you like it. If you like roast, you're gonna love this. I don't think it needs any salt, no pepper, I don't think it needs anything. It's good to me, and I'm fixing to cook me up something green to go with it, and I'm fixing to have lunch because I'm hungry because it's after 2 o'clock and I haven't eaten lunch yet. So remember that I love you all, and get to crafting, make something beautiful, or get in the kitchen and let's cook something yummy. So y'all let me know if y'all like this. This is a great keto, and I can have a little bit for leftover for either supper or either lunch tomorrow. So thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful rest of the day, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.